Relocating from Abu Dhabi to the USA is an exciting journey, but it requires careful planning. First, you'll need to understand the immigration process. Whether you're moving for work, study, or simply for a change, obtaining the right visa is essential. The type of visa you need depends on your purpose for relocating. Be sure to apply early and prepare for a visa interview at the U.S. Embassy. One of the most important steps is choosing a reliable international moving company. You can opt for air freight for faster delivery or sea freight for larger shipments at a lower cost. Research neighborhoods and housing options that fit your budget. You'll also need to open a U.S. bank account. Choose between checking and savings accounts, and don't forget to bring essential documents like your passport and visa. Moving to the USA means adjusting to a new culture. From language differences to local customs, it's important to be aware of how things work in your new home. Participating in community events can help you feel more connected. Before you leave Abu Dhabi, make sure to gather your medical records and understand the healthcare system in the USA, which can be quite different from what you're used to. Health insurance is essential, and you should arrange it as soon as possible. Don't forget that Baxter Shipping is here to support you throughout your journey. From handling your belongings with care to answering your questions, we ensure you feel confident and supported every step of the way. With Baxter Shipping by your side, you'll never feel alone during this exciting transition. With Baxter Shipping, your journey to the USA is seamless and stress-free, making sure you feel right at home from the moment you arrive.